Hi, this is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So let's open our box. This is the charger brick, the USB-C cable, and let's just check also this paper box. Maybe we'll find here something. This is the protective case. And inside of this box we can also find only some paper wires, and unfortunately we have not here any earbuds, so if you want to use them with your OPPO device you should buy them separately. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.